All right, Britley, thank you. Our live Storm Center 7 team coverage continues now in Clark County with meteorologist Nick Dunn, who's in Storm Tracker 7. Nick, the roads are quickly getting more dangerous.
Yes, Letitia, they are. In fact, we left the station at a little after 5 a.m. this morning, and just to put perspective for you, that's in downtown Dayton. I'm currently in Storm Tracker on I-70 in Clark County. Let me show you what the roads look like here. We are just past the US 68 exit, and folks, as you can see, you are not able to make out any lanes on the roadway this morning, and when the snowfall is coming down at this intensity, crews are going to struggle to keep up with the difficult snowfall rates that we're seeing. I've also been noticing that the wind is starting to pick up just a little bit, and you can kind of see that on the front camera here. And again, you can see the deep snow ruts on both sides of the road. I've not measured any of these yet, but I'm just going to give you a rough estimate. I've seen some spots 3-4 inches of snow on the sides of the road, and that, of course, is only adding to the tricky travel troubles. Right now, as of last check, Clark County on a level 1 snow emergency here, and of course, I would expect that to get worse as we go through the morning hours. We'll be continuing to watch these very treacherous and challenging road conditions, but just take a look at the visibility. I would estimate we're maybe about a half a mile at best, and if you are out and about this morning and you're behind one of those semi trucks or anything like that that's just going to help blow that snow around a little bit more, you're going to find that visibility getting even lower. Coming up in just a little bit, we will step out of Storm Tracker and I'll give you a look at some of the snowfall measurements what we're seeing here in Clark County, but for now we're going to toss it back into the studio. I'm meteorologist Nick Dunn for Storm Center 7.
All right, Nick, thank you, and we'll keep checking in with you throughout the morning in Storm Tracker 7.